Back then in the uni, Great Ife. So back then in the uni, there was this senior colleague of mine whom I really admired. He was very calm, well-tempered, and was one of the best actors that I knew in theater then, in the Department of Dramatic Arts. When he delivered his lines, it was with mastery and clarity. But one thing about this man defied clarity to me, and that unclear thing was his surname, Bétikú. I have never heard of that name before I met the man. And the first time I heard it, it sounded really strange to me. Until recently, when I heard it said in full, then I realized, now Abiku name be this now. Abiku? Do you know Abiku? These children are among the weird and scary ones known as Emiri. Abiku means born to die. These children come and go, and then come again, only to go again, tormenting their parents, fomenting untold tragedy and sorrow. So our ancestors had special names for them, one of which is Beyoku Aoyo. It means, if this one does not die, we shall rejoice. This is the name that gets shortened to Bétikú, and its variations include Beyoku Aoyo or Beyobaku Aoyo. The same things rendered differently. You are welcome. Now, I have done videos like this for all Yoruba Oriki names. They are available on my website, waashiri.com. Please go there, feed on good content, and drop your comments. Waashiri.